Ka-chow.
I bought this keyless entry kit off Amazon. The CRV is the same as the Element for 2003 to 2011 as far as the keyless entry is concerned. It comes with a computer, which is the box, and 2 remotes with batteries. I've put a link in the description. Turn the 2 knobs to release the lower kick panel and pull to release the metal clamps. Connect the computer from the kit into the green connector.
Okay, let's see.
Should go right in, yep.
Just like that?
Just like that. If your kit came with a bracket, you can install it into the little metal space next to the connector. If your kit did not come with a bracket, you can zip tie the computer to this location. So you make sure all the doors are unlocked.
Yep.
Key in to on, and then push the button, off, on, push the button, off, on, push the button. You do this 4 times. Do you hear them? Do you hear how they cycled?
Yeah.
So then you push both of these to program them both. Okay. Then you turn the key off. And they work.
And it works.
That's it. So that's how you program it.
That's magic.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
But it's not going to do it with the doors open because, like, it's not going to lock an open door. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, or subscribe below in order to help other people find this video. You can also find other helpful tips and tricks on my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn at Girlie Garage.